Hi everyone. So after the church service today, I went to the grocery store and I bought this spare ribs because I like the spare ribs. I like to eat the spare ribs. So I'm going to plan to cook this spare ribs one day, and it's so nice to attend the church service this morning. I really like it. Thanks God that uh, for the blessings, especially for the blessings that He has given me. So this is it, the spare ribs that I bought, and I'm going to cook this someday, or we'll see this week when I can. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching my vlog, and see you next time. Happy Sunday to all of you, and thank you so much for watching my vlog this afternoon here in my home in Stockholm, Sweden. Bye bye. Hejdå.